we're gonna make a key to this Ford ignition. It's a 2003 Ford Edge. Here's the ignition. And just to prove to you that there's wafers in it, I'm just gonna insert the key. It doesn't turn. But we're gonna use Lishi cutters and these 3D printed guides so we can cut a working key. So our bidding is 11353 and on the plastics here, the depth is here, and the space is here, these ridges. So I'm gonna put these in order. This is a 4. So 4, so 3, so 5, and this is a 2, and there is no 1 because it'll be a no cut, so you won't cut anything at all here. So the first 2 bidding is 1-1, so we're just gonna skip that and we're gonna move on to the third, which is a number 3. So I need a number 3 depth. So you take it, slide it all the way in like that, so that way it's flush. And then we cut the third, I don't know if you can see that, but 1, 2, 3. We'll make that a 3 cut. Hopefully I can do this here on camera. Just go to the number 3, like that. And while I'm on a number 3, I guess I can go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th digit, 5th space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just chomp off all the material. All right. The next one is number 5. So just insert it and make sure it's all the way resting on the back. And it's the 4th space. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's number 4 there. Still my number 5. So the next one's the number 4. And that is in space 7, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, space 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then 2 2s. All the way flush. The last 2 are 2s. I am going to have to file these down a little bit to remove the bumps or the little sharp houndstooth. But that's kind of how it looks so far. You see these little houndstooths right there, the little ridges. We gotta cut those. Let's go back to 3. We're gonna cut the other side now. Make sure it goes all the way in. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 4 and 5, the 5th spot. 5, that's a 3. Yep. Let's go to a number 5. Which is number position 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's in position 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Position 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then number 2s. Looks like it's okay, the last 2 is here. We should have to file them off. These lower ones can sometimes be tricky. Alright, so now we just want to file off the little bumps up here. So let me kind of move that out the way. Flip it around. Alright, let's see if it turns in the ignition. Yeah, and it works. It turns.